So today we're going to hang one of our bench style swings using I-screws. So in the package you should have received a pilot bit, a 1/8 inch pilot bit. So you're going to use that and drill your first pilot hole into the branch. You can run it into the branch a couple of different times, make a nice hole with it. And then you're going to hand thread one of the I-screws into the branch as far as you can. And when it gets too hard, you're going to want to stick something in there, a crescent wrench, a screwdriver, something to give you a little bit more leverage. And you're going to tighten that I-screw all the way in until you can't turn it anymore. So once you have the first one in, you're going to want to drill another hole 24 inches away from the first one. And you do the exact same thing. You drill the pilot hole, you hand thread the I-screw in until you can't thread it anymore, and then use something to give some more leverage until you can tighten it all the way up snug to the tree. All right, so once you have both of your I-screws in the tree branch, you're going to take one end of one of your ropes, slip it through the eye of the I-screw, and pull the rope until your swing seat is about where you want it off of the ground. Then you want to pull it about another foot, because once you've tied a knot and the knot tightens, it's going to drop back down to right about where you wanted it. So I like to use a double overhand stopper knot, which is a pretty simple knot. It's just 2 loops of the rope, stick the end back through, pull it tight, and that makes a really nice big fat knot that can't slip back through your eye. All right, so once you've done one side, you're going to do exactly the same thing to the other side. You're going to slip the end of the rope through the eye of the I-screw, pull it until the swing seat is level, and then about another foot more. You're going to tie your double overhand stopper knot, which is just 2 loops with the end of the rope slipping through, pulling it tight. Once you've pulled it tight, your swing seat should be just about level. If it's not, you can adjust the knot so that it becomes level. Once that's done, you're ready to move on. Next, you're going to take some masking tape and a branch cutter or a really stout utility scissors. You're going to wrap the excess rope with a little bit of the masking tape right about where you want to cut it. And then you're going to take the branch cutter and you're going to snip it off. You're going to do that on both sides. I encourage you to double check and make sure that you're putting the tape on the right side. You don't want to end up cutting the rope that actually is holding up the swing. Thanks so much, guys. Appreciate you watching the video and for purchasing one of our swings. I hope you and your family enjoy it as much as my family and I have. Take care.